Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for cloning ECU. As you can see, guys, I got two ECU here. Those two ECU is for Volkswagen T5. This is the actual original ECU from the car, and this is the donor ECU, and this is the actual part number, and the ECU number on this one is EDC17CP20. This is exactly same. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to read all the information from original ECU and transfer everything back to the donor ECU. I'm going to use FC200 to process this cloning. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the laptop. I just point my camera right here, and so I'm going to just open FC200. So we just say yes here. So from here we just go all the way down, and we're gonna just go for Volkswagen, and from here so we can type the actual ECU number. As you can see, guys, this is the actual ECU number here. So I'm gonna just type the ECU number right here. So the ECU number on that one is actual EDC17CP20. This is actual ECU number, so I'm gonna choose that one, the first one, and then we go to platform. And as you can see, guys, this is the actual wiring diagram. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the wiring diagram, and I'll be back. So this is the actual donor ECU. I'm going to leave the donor ECU here. So we're going to use the original ECU first. Alright, guys, as you can see, I done all the wiring pin out, and this is actual 12 volt to the FC200, and FC200 connect to my my laptop. So what I'm going to do, I want to point my camera here again. So from here we just go to identify. Now the actual FC200 try to connect into the actual ECU. Guys, as you can see, I tried a few times, and unfortunately I could not get any communication with the actual original ECU. So I think the only option I got, because I can't get any information from the original ECU, so the only option I got, try to do IMMO off. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to use the actual OBDSTAR to try to read the information from donor ECU, and try to do the immobilizer off, and we see how it goes. Alright, guys, as you can see, I could not do anything with the FC200, so I'm using OBDSTAR. So this is the actual original ECU from the car, and this is a donor one. We could not get any communication with the actual original ECU, so I did all the pin out, wiring pin out from the donor ECU, and I use P003 adapter. So let me just put my phone just right here. I think it should be fine here. Yeah, so from here we're going to go to ECU flash. We just say okay. We go to the ECU, we just say enter. And then from here we go to brand, we go all the way down to Volkswagen, and then from here we just say push, and then from here we just type EDC17 CP20. This is the one, and we just check the pin out. As you can see, adapter P003. Okay, and this is the wiring diagram. As you can see, guys, I don't know the wiring diagram. So from here we just go back, and then we just say start. Yeah, okay, just connecting to the server. And what we're going to do, we're going to just put the power. As you can see, guys, I use DC power supply, and we just say okay, and my actual connector just come out. So from here we just say connect, we just say yes. That's perfect, guys. As you can see, just connecting to the ECU. From here we're going to read the interior EEPROM. Alright, we just save this as donor. Save. Okay. Now we're gonna read the interior flash. Alright, guys, so we're going to save this one as donor. Okay, that's already saved. So from here we're gonna just click on IMMO off. So we're gonna try to upload the EEPROM data. So we're gonna look for the EEPROM data. Yeah, that one, the first one, as you can see, guys, is a EEPROM data. We just say okay. Yeah, as you can see, guys, he's just programming IMMO off. Now he's communicating with the actual ECU, and now he's just writing the actual IMMO off data. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to do IMMO off again. So in this time we're going to just put the flash. Yeah, as you can see, guys, this is the actual flash data. We just say okay. Alright. As you can see guys, the file is verified on the server. We just need to wait, and that should be a start writing back to the ECU anytime. So that should be fine. So guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to just try to disconnect from here. Just say yes. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do, I already switched off the actual power as well. So as you can see, the IMMO is already off, as you can see here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back again to the FC200, and we try to modify the VIN number, and hopefully we can change the VIN number with the FC200, and after that it should be fine. Alright guys, I connect the donor ECU back to the FC200 again. So let me just put the supplier on. So yeah, so I'm gonna point my camera back to the laptop and try to connect again. As you can see guys, the third way is connect to the actual donor ECU. So what we're going to do from here, we're just going to say modify VIN. Or we just save this one on my desktop here. I just save it as VIN. Save. Alright, that's the actual VIN number, so I'm going to swap the VIN number, and from here I'm just going to change that one to 092256. Okay, now it's connecting. Now it's erasing the address to just modify the VIN, and that's it guys, successful. So yeah, that's it guys, right data successful. So the actual VIN number, it should be changed now. So I'm going to switch off the power and disconnect all the wiring pin out, and yeah, that's it guys. That was a big challenge. So in the end we could do the IMMO off, and also we could write the original VIN number to the donor ECU. So that ECU now is IMMO off, so it should start the car without any problem. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.